Pull it up how you had it before, showing the Congo. Oh, yeah. That's like the $1 million mullet dread.
Look, there's like fucking 12 in there.
It's crazy. It looks like a big spider.
You know?
So what? That's like half of your head that locked up,
Yeah.
nattied in the back.
I see. Yeah,
Hold on. Hold it up. Hold it one more time. Just got closer. Yeah. Oh, crazy. Yeah, the back of your neck looks the same as mine now. It's weird because remember how you used to be so much straighter?
yeah.
And what's the crossover you do?
Let's take a couple, finish the cross like that. We'll cover it all up.
Yes, you got.
And then it comes over here, where you can stick it underneath. See that? Yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah, man.
Cool. How long has that been?
Probably like 4 years, the best to know. Just about 4 years.
See the back?
3 years. Since COVID-19, how long has that been? Has that been
4 years. This is your 4th year.
Yeah,
Cool.
man. Let's keep it going.
Nice.
Wash it once a week. It smells good.
Cool.
The nation.